Hi, Christian Harris here from MonsterMortgage.ca. Thank you for tuning in to Hot Property Online this week. We got a great show, won't disappoint you. First of all, we were recognized, MonsterMortgage.ca was as Mortgage Brokerage of the Year, Independent Brokerage of the Year, excuse me. We're happy to have the Monster here to talk about that award. Very excited. Also, Airbnb. It's been in the news quite a bit recently. What does that mean to homeowners or people who have tenants who are possibly doing this? And we got Marlena Corbo, one half of the Corbo-Kellos Group, our VIP partner. She'll be here to talk about that. As well, Mortgage Mailbag. We always get great questions. Continue to send them in. We had one with respect to buying investment properties. So we kept Marlena here and she answered those questions as well. So tune in, you're going to enjoy it. It's going to be a great show. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching Hot Property Online. I told you we had a special guest here, and we do. It's the Monster from MonsterMortgage.ca. He was recently announced Canada's Independent Mortgage Brokerage of the Year. He was happy to take the award. He got some hardware too. This will not fit around his tummy, but that's okay. We can have it on the shoulder here. We'll have it at the office. Very happy to have this honor given to us from MonsterMortgage.ca. Happy to have him represent us. You should have heard his speech. It was a killer speech. He did a great job. Thank you very much. We appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in.
Thanks for the hug.
Hi, Christian Harris here at MonsterMortgage.ca, and I'm here with Marlena Corbo, one half of the Corbo-Kellos Group, our VIP partners when it comes to real estate and purchasing homes. Let's get right into it. Airbnb has been in the news quite a bit recently with respect to homeowners and mortgages, but as far as homeowners, how does it affect people who own a home, this Airbnb? What is it and what's it mean?
Yes, Airbnb is an internet platform for foreign visitors that they can access rentals, whether it be a condo or a house within the city, and they have access to renting that house for the time being, assuming that the owner puts it online. So it's almost no different than a hotel where you reserve your spot for the unit. What's happening in the city is that the owners are doing this with their condo units. Condo units now do have rules and implications not allowing short-term rentals, right. And Airbnb is considered a short-term rental.
So if I'm an owner, what does that mean to me? If I think I'm renting out to someone who's just going to live there, like, and I'm going to collect a check every month, but all of a sudden, I guess I'm notified by my condo. Is that what would happen?
Correct.
The board would call me?
The management company, yes.
What can happen? What's the next move? What do we do?
So there's certain rules and implications that have to be met. According to the condo declaration, if there are rules not allowing you to do a short-term lease, then unfortunately you wouldn't be able to associate the Airbnb rental platform with that particular condo. There are implications that if you do and you are caught, which is happening now, the condo corps are zoning in with condos downtown, especially in the city, not allowing Airbnb. So they are zoning back in, putting the responsibility on the landlords and or tenants, and they could face legal action if they continue to do Airbnb in their units.
Hi, Christian Harris here, and this segment is the Mortgage Mailbag. And the question we had today was to do with real estate. So who better than to have a real estate partner, Marlena Corbo from the Corbo-Kellos Group, our VIP partners, come in and answer this question. Very simple. A client who's been working very hard, has paid off their principal resident, they have equity in the home, they do not want their money in the stock market, they don't want it losing it that way, they want to put it in bricks and mortars, they want to buy real estate. So where should they do that? What's the best strategy for them?
Right, absolutely. Taking the equity and investing it in the real estate market is a great advantage, having your money work for yourself. So there's two ways that you could do that. You can certainly go the condo route, which is, I call the simpler route in terms of renting out to a tenant and having your tenant pay your monthly bills month to month, and then eventually having that condo paid off and having future residual come into your pocket, so positive cash flow. In the event that you'd like to do a little bigger role and take on a duplex or a triplex, that's also a fantastic investment, although there are a lot more responsibilities for the landlord, assuming that they have to take care of the house and future expenditures. So you have to beware on what role you want to take and what kind of responsibilities you want.
That's a very good point, because I've seen some clients where, on a condo, sometimes if they're 20%, 25% down, right, they don't make money necessarily. They might break even or down $100, but long term it's a good investment. On a house or a duplex or a triplex, they may cash flow positive every month, $300, $400, $500, but a lot more headache, a lot more work because they don't have a condo board and maintenance being looked after by someone else.
Absolutely. So the two different scenarios, if you want the ability to have, you know, less of a job on your hands, because it does turn into almost a part-time job.
That would be me. Yes. Yeah.
If you want that less, the condo is the best option.
Okay, great. Well, thank you for that. Appreciate the answer. Keep the questions coming to the mortgage mailbag. If you have any questions for us, you can give us a call, email us, info@MonsterMortgage.ca. Twitter, I'm sure we have a Twitter handle account somewhere. If you have any questions about real estate for our VIP partners, the Corbo Kellis Group. Okay. Thank you very much. Pretty soon we're going to be trying a new segment called Ask the Agent. The viewers have spoken. They're tired of just seeing my face and looking at me and listening to me, so they actually want to talk to some other people in the office. So I get it. I heard you. Fine. No, in all seriousness, we're going to be asking different agents in our office. We've got a great group and with great expertise, years of knowledge. We're going to be asking them general questions, things that they're every day they're running into, some tips, some advice, and you get to meet some great people and their personalities, and we'll have some fun with it. So Ask the Agent coming soon. Make sure you tune in and you can vote for your favorite agent. Thanks.